Sisi na tumesija.
Oh yes. Advertising. You know, advertising runs a huge economy.
Huge in the world.
Naona huko kama mimi ngakayo kama muigiri. Tuli haguoneke.
Advertising.
Nikio igwa twatithia tukauga ke tuli heke.
Mbiro igere ithatu.
Yes. Ona chuito pangaga. Waito kanunga getunguru.
Yeni
na mithenya agagira tukarunungia ginya kindu wetagwo kangauthi. Na gariki. Ni gariki andu aingi mamiri na Nairobi. Ndikio to kitungu sau to atia.
Garlic etagwo
tikitungu saumu.
Nio saumu.
Nio saumu. Garlic andu aingi maria moka kundu kuriku.
Makuranga na mundu ajia kwionera ciringi ciake.
Yes.
Back then it was not
actually even bulb onions. Isi cia kiria.
Kigitagwo kia ngwaci.
Ego twagitanagia na kindu very.
You know, riu kiu nikio kindu kiraikuhaniririe kuhanana.
Yes.
Ki mugunda.
Ti andu aingi mekinyagiria gitunguru kiu kia ngwaci. Tondu muno kiaguragwo thoko.
Yes.
Cia mahuti handu hagi ya tuta.
Kia mahuti ni mukuhanda hau.
No na wega kia mahuti na mungianyihirie nyeni. Ni waingihagia gitungu. Look at advertising. You know, advertising is a psychological appeal to buying motives. You contract with the thimu ino ri. He oria muthoni agiuka kwaririe. Umiende gukira oria nie ndagutare.
Wandariria.
Yes. No uro advertising ri. Rugongo ndunajia tene kuyukio wega. It was there, but very rare. Ashona mundu wa revolutionize kidu without advertising rugongo ri. Is none other than the founder of this great station.
Yes.
Yes. Wetoko Madam Rose Kemotho.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Na Regional Rich.
Regional Rich Limited. Aria maigite ma television ndonyune cia icagi-ini.
Ocio ni ahingurire icagi na njira nene.
No, that was someone should give her an award.
Ona ni abatie kuheo Oscar hidio.
Ona tiga Oscar ngiye cieto OGW.
Yes.
Yes.
Ni ahingurire icagi kundu kwari nduma.
It was a brand new concept. Gutiari advertisement rugongo. Kwa uthagirwo kindu getagwo local influencers. And the word of
mouth.
We were almost using smoke signals.
No, many word of mouth could be distorted.
Very distorted, heavily, because again, there was no manuscript. Yes.
Na higo gerera shube.
Yes. There was one local lad, akona gikero gia kanua. Oyo no wale influencer. Oyo no wale dibul. Wago tagathira andu. Yes. Ewa.
Ibura benyithia. Kulina nyama ya kimadi. Wasege wali titi. Niguthijo 11.
Akaroria mweno uyu. And they used to be masters of the wind. No yondo ngehutu kahoro othe othie njumbi. Leo tio TA.
Kutigwo kuintenda ukinyia ndumiriri.
It's not the target audience. So he had to listen to the wind. Wahorera. Akamenya gekiru gekero. No, you take a vantage position.
Agathi hando iguru.
Yes.
Nimura menyiria. Nimujube wanyu mwendete. Jei Kamotho.
Tukamwendera ku.
Nimuraririkania. Kwina monanio ma kirimo.
Okay, so ground ya maragwa.
Gakoigo. Monanio maremi gakoigo.
Se ground gakoigo. Hamwe na magi. Iwe kona maprofesa.
Na nyegese.
Nyegese. Aluta kambale.
Toro hau munyi kaina tukaugeta watia.
Kariku.
Keo kainaga some chakacha. With a very sharp voice.
Nani huyo?
Heka yetu kaina acha kacha. Adu aja ike ni makoi. Heka kaina mama nakusihi tafadhali usinikataze chakacha. So those were the advertising agents. Yes.
And platforms.
Yes. Osho no wale leo yalikio modi. Asia fugathemba. Niyo manya ya askoni. Dio. Billboard rogori. Icio nicio cioka thutha muno.
Billboard.
Yes.
Billboard.
No, billboards were in major towns. Na no billboard cia tene ni getha muthoni mabe manyite undu kuodu ri. Citiare ici cia canvas.
Acha.
Ciare ifati.
Ifati.
So you would employ an artist to draw the message.
It was too much work.
Gochora taru he muthuri wacorire bagiti ya omo haria kangi manga meri etatu. Akiaja ndu moragia eniki. No no ora twaranagia the karodie kahana. Ningene mawenja ringi.
Acorire bagiti meri etatu.
You know it's a very big gigantic painting. Yes. Rigo ndu mora niki aracora. Mukona kinyia hau niki. Rigo andu mokire ha andikire ritwa omo. No andu maugire
Ni omo.
Yes. Nazo ne agiacokire ikara piu.
Nacio ni cia ikaraga icio itiheraga frequently.
Yes. Actually, billboard nyingiri iria twa rugongori. They were government sponsored. Yes. Through the area awareness on HIV and AIDS. Genda ukigore auga tondu it was very profiling.
The message was very
it was what do you call this? A stigmatization.
Stigmatization.
Yes. Icio naciona haria Nyeri mukuru-ini haria Kianda, Murang'a Kianda.
Hari we yari haria kangi maigoti-ini.
Yes.
Na ni yaikara hau miaka mingi.
Whenever my niekira andu guoya wa murimu.
No ni atumenya ni kuri.
Yes. It used to be very effective. Billboard ati umuthi ginya kiamara ni hari billboard. Maundu mau ona niki oka Nairobi okahigwo uru muno ni guthii urorete ki
urorete iguru
because you have never seen anything that big.
Yes, and colorful.
Ukona ati riu kamwana karia kanyitite Billboard ukonagira nyitira-ini
riu urona tari ko gaka
na ni kamurike ukarigu ikaitwe kundu gwitagwo Columbia. Wathio etio
ginyo kahingwo.
You see, one, you have never seen a high rise building. Utie kindu kiraihu kwanyu. Everything is at high level.
Kindu kiraihu no miti.
Yes. And they are not wowing tondu kimenyerete. Riu ni nyumba oroni. Wacha ukona matama batar. Koja kwe balbu ciekirago muthigiti wa Koia. Ndie kana ucikorereire.
Koja. Have I met them?
There is a time during their festivals they would literally use bulb iria cia wati igana. They had probably 1,000 cia thiururuka kanitha ucio othe.
Muthigiti.
Yes, muthigiti sorry. Wa Koia. Edwaona.
Ndona Koja.
They had so many of them. Riu mumete na gicagi wendo ni wona thitima emwe.
Ucio ki ukure guku ihana mwere.
You would think it's a galaxy. Rugo gutiari advertising. Outdoor.
Outdoor advertising ire.
Yes.
It was very minimal.
And the original reach yokari. Adona ne matiraga kuria sapa. Mone tausi.
Yes.
Awajiru acege magithaka tausi.
Ini.
Na hau gatagatiri ikiro kimenyithia kia omo. Yes.
Ona keji yao yako ibrandetwo omo.
Yes. And you see, it would not be put in a struggling shop.
Acha.
Na.
Hihi ni agirwo handu we.
Either bushire gwete. Na duka general. Na mwene general ni agira yandu kuranga faranga.
Imuonagira kou.
Imuonera tiri-ini. There was no comfort muikare. Ni mwirorere. Mukone Jackie Chan. Uriria tu kweke zie. Ukare homo.
New blue omo. Urembo hung'arisha na huonyesha wazi. Je, nguo zako zina madoadoa sugu? Je, watoto wakicheza nguo ukataa kung'ara? Sasa New Blue Omo ambayo iko na power form.
Hili advertising na gahedi ona kambuni acia advertise gari.
Yes.
Matiatwaraga merchandise rugongo.
Hapana. Ajore kware yomo na maguta mange magagia andu muno metagwo tire deep frying fat. Kwenda muthuru wa ate tire deep frying fat.
Maguta matili.
Kwenda mwa ira TV ogwo. Uko na maguta maria marumwo. Wamenya kwanyu magera go iguru guo. Uyu aroma na afererekia giciko. Ndu ona mutia kora tumuona thuburia theru githe. Thuburia yana. Irahenia. Ona mo ogora yo kana ido vire. Ogora tire. Yes. Advertising is powerful.
Go shoka rugo kathabuni wa live boy.
Yes.
Ndwathire muno rugongo so ndwarira hivi.
But they did heavy advertising.
Yes.
Ndonyo ini cia icagi.
Muno that was very heavy. Yes. Thabuni wa live boy na thabuni wa jamaa.
Live boy ona ne ma sponsorete tabarire ya githingithia na njaramba.
No yetagwo did it have a name? Agano kwajia aja.
That segment.
Wa hiomo getwe kwa gwiko ogwo i. Kwa gokwa. Yoko haichinde to. John is around right ali. Ndakiugira mayoke mone miruzi. Kwa kurio. Ujonye kwa. I will tell you.
Advertising has actually revolutionized a lot.
Rugogo, you even have companies in Rugogo that have influencers that they pay. Yes. Tene Rugogo advertising. And it is no wonder we actually used to sing along to advertisements.
Yes.
You would say them. You recite them literally. Yes. Muthudu yakwe rugereza fashimane netabato majogo. Ni mbogo ya gumu sana.
Anyway.
Okoro gwe kindu kia gia andu ni advertisement ya Ford ya mwana. Ya Johnson and
Forda.
Muna kan sekete ma. Wai kana kanyu gya githwaine ya kiri ati.
Ai toko ya nagia ndoro.
Gatire kago tho founder na kia guthane rukungu.
Kana jichanganya na dunia.
Na unfortunately ale tutahuthirirwo powder ri twacoka kumihuthira puru-ini. Reke tuguthaa bota tondu ni twaritũkirwo
kaundu ga kuhuthirirwo Forda.
Una mwaitirio Forda. Kohu hindi gutiari diaper. Kohu na fi. Kana gathekete ma. Ukarigwo kai kanyu kari ka wildani. Tondu gathamba yo ndagika igire kana mbuko.
Ela queda na 50.